If you try to launch Hot Wheels Unleashed on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and the game crashes, shows an error, or the game doesn't even open, then this could be happening because your drivers might be outdated, or your game files are damaged or corrupt. So in this tutorial we'll teach you several methods to fix your game. Open your Xbox app. Select Hot Wheels Unleashed. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Hot Wheels Unleashed to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Press Yes. Now wait for Hot Wheels Unleashed to be scanned for errors. Now launch Hot Wheels Unleashed. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Hot Wheels Unleashed. Click on the three dots to open the Hot Wheels Unleashed options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Hot Wheels Unleashed isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Hot Wheels Unleashed data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Hot Wheels Unleashed is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. The Hot Wheels Unleashed's data will be deleted. Press Reset again. If Hot Wheels Unleashed still not working, you could try to reinstall it. Press Uninstall. Open the Xbox app to download Hot Wheels Unleashed again. Locate Hot Wheels Unleashed. Press Install. Now launch Hot Wheels Unleashed. tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.